You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word in English correctly. If you want to learn more useful vocabulary, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you want to listen to and learn from. English pronunciation: jog, jog. The American English pronunciation might sound a little bit more as jog, a bit more open sound, but British English pronunciation jog, or US jog. Similar pronunciations though. How to pronounce English pronunciation jog. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.